Okay, so let's make some changes in terms of alignment and text alignment. Now, we're going to start at the top, and again, I want to show you why it is important to have a closing tag. Let's look up here at John's web page. Okay, well, John's web page would be, where is that? Right there. Okay. Now, I want to center everything. So again, the tag for that, I'm just going to put this right after the body tag. Remember, this is in the body and not in the head. So I'm just going to put the tag center. Now, center has an opening and closing tag. So let me just save that. And I'm going to zoom out here so you can see the whole thing. Now, watch what happens. I didn't put a closing tag, so watch what happens now. The whole thing becomes centered. And that is not what I want. If you do that, your grade goes down, because I would like it to be a little bit different than that. So let me show you what I want. We're going to put John's web page is going to be centered. Just that down to where the pictures are. So I want the centering down to right here where it says images are as follows, above that. So I'm going to close it by putting in a closing tag. And again, let me just hit that again. Oops, I forgot to save. Now notice everything then defaults to the left. So if it's not centered, if you don't give it a command, then it will automatically align itself to the left. However, I want to put this click here one right here. I want to put that over to the right. So that's going to be a little bit different. What we're going to do is it's a single tag, and all I'm going to do is go right here into the P, the first one, and you can do this for left too, but you don't have to. You type align, A-L-I-G-N, like a ligin, equals right, and save. And again, F5 over here. And so this is the alignment. This is what your alignment should look like. Okay, so everything should be centered from John's, or whatever your name is, web page, down to the three pictures. Those should be centered as well. So if I make this smaller, you can see that those are centered. The marquee doesn't need to worry about being centered. Now look at the interesting thing about this. As I make it smaller, notice that the click here is always forced all the way over to the right, and the numbers are forced to the left over here. So that's what I'd like to see.